today I'm going to be showing you this classic Christmas makeup tutorial. I used a lot of old school makeup in this video, like old school dupes for popular high-end makeup way back in the day. And I thought this would be really fun to do just like a voiceover tutorial and just like bring it back old school and do a really pretty classic Christmas makeup look. This is also going to be a little series on my channel. I'm going to post a video every day from now and up until Christmas Eve, but I won't post on Christmas Eve. So yeah, I'm going to post 7 days before Christmas. Every single day I'm going to have a new Christmas related makeup look for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and I hope you enjoy the series and come back. Click the little bell notification if you want to see the rest of my videos in this little Christmas series. Yeah, if you guys would like to see this makeup tutorial, please just keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting out with my face makeup. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've been using this a lot lately. I really like it. Then I'm going to spray my face with my Wet n Wild Rose setting spray. I love this stuff. It really helps my makeup last all day, and it gives some extra moisture in the cold weather. I'm mixing together my Maybelline foundation and my LA Girl Pro Coverage in white. I used to use this all the time, and I thought I would bring it back to a while ago when I used to use these foundations mixed together. I also have a new foundation routine up, so I will link that up in the IO if you guys would like to see that. For concealer, I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I always use this. It's just my favorite lately. And I'm setting my face with my RCMA No Color Powder with my Wet n Wild sponge, with my same Wet n Wild sponge. This is my favorite way to set my makeup. It helps it last so much longer. To contour and bronze up my face, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless powder and a darker shade to contour and bronze. This is a dupe for the Hoola Light Bronzer. The Hoola bronzer was everybody's favorite. This is just technically the light version for paler skin like me. And then for blush, I'm using my e.l.f. blush. This used to be everyone's favorite blush that couldn't afford the NARS Orgasm blush. Yeah. And then I'm using my Essence eyeshadow single in the shade Snowflake. And this is a really nice highlighting shade for paler skin. And it's perfect for this time of year because it's in the shade Snowflake. So now for eyeshadow, I'm using my same Maybelline Fit Me powder and a Wet n Wild crease brush from Dollar Tree. I love these brushes so much. And I'm going to just blend that in my crease as a light, just do a nice dusting of it in my crease, just as a nice shadow in there. And then I'm using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to give a base for the eyeshadow on the lid. And I'm doing that in the inner corner and underneath on my lower lash line, up next to my inner corner, so that it will really pop right there. I'm using another Wet n Wild smudge brush and my Essence eyeshadow single again, and just packing that on in all those areas. And then I'm taking some of my Maybelline Fit Me powder on my lower lash line. And I'm using my same Jumbo Eye Pencil in my waterline. This is going to really open up the eyes, having the white shadow all along there. And I'm using my e.l.f. waterproof eyeliner in black to create my wing. And then I'm using my LA Colors Brow Tint. This is also from the Dollar Tree, and it's pretty good. I'm taking that same smudge brush and the Essence eyeshadow and cleaning up my brow bone and highlighting my brow bone with it. And then I'm curling my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara. And then I'm using everyone's favorite mascara back in the day, which is the Maybelline Falsies. I'm using my Rimmel Exaggerate lip liner in the shade Red Diva. starting on my lips. I have a video on my channel where I showed how to make any lipstick transfer proof. I will link that up in the IO for you guys so you can see that if you want. For my lips, I'm using my NYX matte lipstick in the shade Perfect Red. This is a dupe for I believe this is a dupe for the MAC lipsticks back in the day, and I have had this lipstick for so long, and I love it so much. And I wanted to bring it back old school, so I used this. This is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!